Hey everyone, today we're diving into the coolest tech gifts you haven't seen yet. This is a collection of thoughtful gift boxes that both boys and girls will be super happy to receive. And don't worry, if you see something you love, all the links to these amazing gadgets are down in the description below. First up, we have the CHUZHAO Vintage Mini Camera. This is a small camera that can replicate the way photos were taken decades ago. It has a waist-level viewfinder like a classic twin-lens reflex camera. Turn the metal lever to record video, and press the shutter button to take photos. It has black and white and color filters. The pictures taken have a story-like feel. It's palm-sized, so you can carry it around to record your life. When not in use, it looks great on a desk too. Next, prepare to be amazed by the defies TVOM 2. If I don't tell you, you definitely can't guess that a small speaker has so many functions. When the antenna is extended, it's a radio. Placed on the desk, it becomes a clock. You can also upload photos and videos to use it as a digital photo frame. When you're bored, you can play the casual games inside. For work, you can turn on the Pomodoro timer to improve focus. Connected via Bluetooth, it's a small speaker, allowing you to freely match lyrics and backgrounds. There are even more interesting small functions, making it highly playable. Then we have something truly magical, the floating lamp. No one would refuse to receive a magical light bulb, right? Just place it gently and it will levitate on the base. When lit at night, it's warm and healing. Even if the power is accidentally cut, it will stick to the base, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. Using it as a gift is really creative. And finally, let's look at the world a bit differently with the Pixelated Lens. This is a crystal pixel lens that can instantly turn reality into a game world. Look closely and everything in sight turns into game-like block elements. There are also different styles of outer frames that can be changed. It's small enough to carry in your pocket. When you're bored, take it out and look through it for a moment and you'll instantly feel healed. All right, that's all for today's content. We'll see you next time.